What we got here is a snapshot of the Pound Yen GBPY, and these are all the trades that I took on a backtesting session. Well, it's not really a backtesting session. It's more like a historical testing or back trading. What I was doing was just taking trades that I found, no particular trades, so it's not really considered backtesting. But I'll probably do a different video and go over each separate trade. But what I wanted to do here was go back through the video I took. I started recording about halfway through, so the second half of these trades are recorded. So I wanted to go back through and kind of show you what I did, what I was thinking. It's really nice to trade on something like the 4-hour chart. I think I said this in one of the Outlook videos last week, but so let's look at the trades. The one there on the left was a big 300 pip trade. We're about ready to get a 2-to-1 here, it looks like, on the second trade here. You're going to have to, when you're doing your trading or you're going and watching a video like this, you're going to have to figure out what you're going to do. So you can either like put it to break even, put the stop loss to break even once it gets to 1-to-1 or 1.5, or just let it go. We're going to let it go here and try to get either 1.5 or 2-to-1. And then if we lose a trade, we're going to reverse the trade and try to get it back using a type of zone recovery or hedging system. So it looks like we're going to go back. We were almost to take profit. Now we're going back up. Now we're in negative. Hopefully this continues down. No, we're going to get stopped out. Okay, so what we're going to do is reverse the trade. That's a loser. It would have been a winner if we put it to break even down at 1.5, but we're going to keep them open and see if we can get the 1-to-2 risk reward. So we'll reverse the trade here. Put a new trade box out here. All right, so that actually would have hit. I had the, all right, so big deal. It would have been 2-to-1. All right, looks like we got it back. All right, so we're going to open a new trade. The other thing you have to think about is how many positions are you opening? So some people like to set it to break even after 1-to-1, close one position and then let the second one go. Or you could get 1-to-2 on the first position and then set your stop to break even and let the second one go. So remember, when you're trading, you're doing historical trading, doing back testing, you got to make sure you know what you're like. Plan it out beforehand. What type of trading you're going to do. All right, so we got stopped out. All right, let's reverse the trade. And we're just going to go for 1-to-1 on these reversals, just try to get our money back. If you open up double the position here, you get your money back and you make a little money. But we'll just say we're going to open up the same position at first. All right, we got it back. Got our money back. Wait for the next setup. So this back testing or historical trading is back in May of 2022. Like to see a nice reversal candle. There's one. Let's take a trade. Is that 1.5? I think it's stopped out here. Oh, stopped out. Okay. Reverse the trade. We would have gotten our money back right there if we would have had the trade set up, ready to go. All right, so let's set this up and wait for the next setup. I'd like to see another reversal candle. There's some divergence on the 4-hour chart here, and it's oversold. So we should, oh, there's another one. Okay, let's take another trade. Take another short. It's going for 1.5 again. I would advise you to do this on your own on TradingView. If you had the pro account, you can do historical replays of the chart. I do it on all time frames if I were you, from 5 minutes or 15 minutes all the way up to daily and weekly. Just get a feel of the chart. Then forward test it in real time. Come on, let's go. Come on, break down. It looks like we're going to get stopped out. And there it is. Okay. So we'll reverse the trade here. And that took a long time. Do not reverse the trade like I'm doing here if you're on a real chart. Do it on a demo, just so you know what you're doing. If you do stuff like this on a real account, you'll lose your shirt if you don't know what you're doing. All right, got our money back. If you put two positions there, you get your money back and you make money, but we're not going to do that here, or at least we're saying we're not going to do that here. All right, we got another reversal candle here. We're going to take another short. All right, this is like the, second or third one in a row that hasn't worked out. So one of these reversal candles we're going to get a bigger correction. We should get a nice trade here. There it is. We would have gotten 1 to 2 there also if we would have opened up a 1 to 2 trade. All right, let's wait for the next setup. And we'll get a flag or a reversal candle again. All right, that looks like all we have. Again, I'm going to do a separate video where I'll go over each trade and why we took it. But I'm going to be doing a lot more videos like this, backtesting, outlooks, shorts during the week of some 4-hour and 1-hour trade setups. So check back this week. Subscribe, do all that cool stuff. Share the video. Later.